Hello, my dear traders family. Welcome back. Receiving many DMs from customers about how to install an expert advisor AI in MT4. I've come up with a video to help you throughout the process. So, let's start. First, we will extract the file by clicking Extract File. Now, second step is copy your AI file, which you want to run. Go to your HFN MT4 to run that file. Now, log into your account. Click the option file on the top. Open Data Folder. Then MKL4, and then Experts. Now paste your copied file here. Now refresh your expert advisors. Press your file and move into the window chart. Make sure you have enabled the auto trading. To add URLs, go to the Tools and then Options. Here, click the option Expert Advisors on the top. Allow web requests and URL, and then paste the URL here. The same process can be used for installing indicators. Remember to check the details of every IA, such as its pair, symbol, and time frame. Thank you. Contact me on Telegram for further details.